up? Welcome back to my channel, GlamBySam. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is probably one of the videos I'm most excited about, and even though I say this about a lot of my videos, I'm genuinely really excited about this one. In today's video we are going to be organizing my makeup. I store my makeup in my Alex 5 drawers and I really like them because they fit a lot of makeup, but I didn't really have a proper storage method. I really wanted to get some acrylic organizers, but the ones I saw from, for instance, vanity collections have to come from Australia, and I live in Europe, so that can get pretty pricey. So I actually came across a website called Tidy Ups, and they are located in Germany, which is of course in Europe. So this video is not sponsored. I emailed them if they wanted to do a collab, but they couldn't do that right now. But they did give me a discount code for my personal shopping, so that was super kind of them, and of course I took advantage of it and ordered some lovely things. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you the compact organizer and then also the palette organizer, because those are the ones I'm definitely most excited about. But I think without further ado we should just get started with the video and show you guys how I organize my makeup using these acrylic makeup organizers. So I'm now sitting at my vanity, and these are the Alex 5 drawers that I keep all my makeup in, and then I also keep some makeup on my vanity. I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. So this one is my face drawer one, and I just have these organizers from Ikea that fit perfectly in these, and I do quite like these, but they can get pretty dirty and I'm not really happy with how it's stored. So right here I have my palette drawer, and as you can see this isn't structured at all. I just have my palettes lying in here, and then I have a lot of them on my vanity too. So I struggle with finding a convenient way to organize since I have palettes from different sizes. So I think we should just get started. So I just positioned the camera in a different way so you can see what I'm going to do. But here I have my acrylic organizing systems. So I have one for compacts and then also one for palettes that I will show you in this video what they look like and how I'm going to organize my makeup using them. So I'm going to start with the one for compacts. I actually already unboxed this yesterday because I saw this, and I don't know if you can see just how wide it is, but I was like, how is this ever going to fit in my Alex drawers? So I was super scared that I ordered the wrong size because they have different sizes. So I thought that the length of this was going to be this entire piece, but it's actually two pieces, as you can see. That is why it looks super long and as if it was never going to fit. And then there are some longer ones which will go vertically into the drawer. So I'm just going to wipe this drawer to make sure it's as clean as possible. So I don't really have a ton of space on my vanity right here, so we're just going to work with what we have. So basically I think the first thing you do is you take one of these vertical ones, and then you can click this together like this. And I'm going to take another one and I'm going to put that one in here. And then I'm going to take one horizontal one and put it at the end right here. I'm really bad at explaining what I'm doing. So now you're left with this, and I think I'm just now going to already insert it in my drawer. And now we can insert the rest. So what I'm doing is basically just applying all of these horizontal ones into the organizer. So now it's getting a bit tricky because this is pretty hard to reach. So the acrylic feels pretty good quality. I don't really have a lot of acrylic things, so I can't really compare it. So this is what it looks like. It's already looking super good. So what I'm going to do is I think at the front I'll just remove one of these ones, so I have a bit more space there for bulky ones. And then I'll see if I can remove it out of the drawer again. I won't insert another one of these because if I keep it like this, I can store my face palettes in here as well. And if I would insert this one as well, these spaces get smaller and it won't fit. So I will just keep this one for if I want to change it in the future. Right now I don't really have a lot of small compacts, so I think I'm good with just this row. So now I think we should just see what will fit in here. here I have space for all my face palettes. This one can go there. So I changed something in the layout of the drawers, and this is actually what it ended up looking like. I had to remove some of the acrylic pieces because otherwise like the bulkier things wouldn't fit. So right here I just have my Too Faced palette. This was too tall to store like this, so I had to remove one of the acrylic pieces so I can lay down a little bit more. And then I just put my Fenty powder there. Then here I have my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, my nude sticks, and then this Pillow Talk glow wand. And in the back here I have some smaller compacts, and then this KKW one, but this is just way too tall, so I'll just put that one with my other palettes. And then if I receive some like more highlighters, I can just always like change how it looks because I have a couple of these acrylic ones still left, and I'll just keep those for when I want to change the layout. But right now I'm pretty happy with how everything's looking. So this is what the drawer ended up looking like. So I just realized I was talking for a long time, and then I noticed I wasn't recording. But basically what I said is when I took it out of the packaging, it was wrapped really nicely in this protective thing, and it's also wrapped in this plastic, and the compact organizer came like that as well. So the plastic was wrapped pretty tightly, so it was protected really well. So now this is what this one looks like. So this one is just basically for only palettes, but I think the system is pretty much the same thing as the compact one. And the organizer is already complete like this. So now let's put this in my drawer. I definitely recommend assembling it on a desk or something and not in a drawer because it's really hard to reach the back. So I think in the front here I'll start with my ColourPop palettes because those are pretty small. So two ColourPop palettes actually fit perfectly next to each other. I'll show you what it looks like later because this is kind of like hard to reach for my camera. But this looks really nice. And then I have a ColourPop 9 pan palette right here. As you can see, that one fits really nice as well. I have this one from Daisy Duck that I'll just put next to it. I have my Huda Beauty one. So maybe I can remove this one here. So this is actually how it ended up looking like. So now it's even better because now you can like see every palette. So I'm really happy with these organizers. They feel really good quality. I can immediately see all of them. So I really like that. You could even like fit multiple in here. As you can see, this would also fit. So I'm really happy with this one as well. Okay guys, and this was it for my makeup organization and storage video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and find it interesting. I would love to hear in the comment section how you store and organize your makeup. That would be so fun to know, and maybe we can give each other tips and everything. Also, I want to say that if you did enjoy this video, then I would absolutely love it if you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my videos. All of these things would help me so much with my channel, and I'd really appreciate it. But with that said, I want to thank you guys all so much for watching. I really hope you have an amazing day, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!